River of Smoke by Amitabh Ghosh. Major characters are Behram Modi, Parsi merchant, opium trader, ambitious and greedy, tragic protagonist Neil Ratan Halder, former Raja of Rashkali, intelligent and adaptable, works as Behram's secretary, Ahafad Behram's son, mixed Chinese Indian heritage, addicted to opium, Chimei, Chinese woodwoman, Ahafad's mother, Behram's lover, Fisher Penrose, botanist, interested in rare plants, Paulette Lambert, independent young woman, plant enthusiast, Robin Chenry, artist and observer, Lin Jiaxiu, Chinese official, anti-opium reformer. Major themes are opium trade and greed, the novel exposure, destructive effects of opium commerce, merchants prioritize profit over human suffering, colonialism and imperialism, European power exploit Asian society for economic gain. The novel criticized colonial expansion, globalization, people, goods, language, and cultures move across borders. The novel portrays an early form of globalization, culture exchange, Indian, Chinese, British, French, American, Parsi culture interact constantly, identity and hybridity. Many characters belong to multiple cultures. They struggle to define who they are. Migration and displacement. Characters travel across oceans and leave their homes. Migration changes their identity. Power and resistance. China's resistance to opium traders demonstrate opposition to imperial domination. Nature and science. Penrose botanical expedition highlights curiosity, exploration, and environmental knowledge. Symbols. Opium represents greed, exploitation, colonial power, moral corruption. River represents change, movement, global connections. Smoke represents illusion, addiction, destruction. Golden camellia represents beauty, knowledge, and discovery. Historical significance. The novel is based on real historical events. Important historical elements include opium trade between India and China, British commercial expansion, Chinese resistance, event leading to the First Opium War 1839 to 1842. Many historical figures and incidents are incorporated into the narrative. Narrative techniques, historical realism, detailed reconstruction of 19th century Asia, multiple perspective, different characters tell different part of the story, multilingual language which is English, Chinese expression, Bengali words and Pidgin English, nautical vocabulary, rich historical detail, trade, shapes, plants, customs and social life are described extensively. Important quotations. Rather than focusing on memorable single quotes, the novel repeatedly emphasized the moral cost of profit, the interconnectedness of nations, the destructive power of addiction, the clash between commerce and ethics. Awards. Shortlisted for the 2011 Hindu Literary Prize, longlisted for the 2011 Man Asian Literary Prize, shortlisted for the 2013 DSC Prize for South Asian Literature, listed among the year's best historical novels by NPR. Critical appreciation. Strength. Extensive historical research, rich multicultural world, complex character, powerful critique of imperialism, vivid